Now, if you ask me my opinion on life and success, I would literally clearly tell you that success, according to me, is not when you have a lot of money in your bank account. Success is when you are happy doing whatever the hell you're doing, but you're happy. For example, when I was studying, I wasn't that happy. Like, obviously, no one is happy by studying, obviously. But when I'm recording this video, I'm happy. I'm energetic. I like to make these videos. I love writing down the scripts for these particular videos. So according to me, success is when you're happy doing whatever you're doing. And life is all about searching for happiness. And many people, when they have a lot of money, they think that, damn, I'm successful. No, you're not successful unless you have a lot of money and you're happy doing whatever you're doing. A painter who has only $300 in their bank account, but he loves painting. He is more successful than an entrepreneur who has more than $300,000 in his bank account, but is not happy doing the business that he wants. See the difference? This man is poor in the amount of money, but he's rich. He's successful because he's happy doing whatever he's doing. Whereas this one, he's not that happy. So in this video, I'm going to be talking about some steps that you can implement in your daily life that can make you a happier person. And it does not always involve, doing whatever the exact thing that you want to do in your life. But these steps, if you follow, then you'll definitely be a more happier person. You'll be living a more productive and healthy life, and therefore you'll live a good life. The first step that you should implement in your life is by practicing gratitude. Because when you think of the positive things in your life and you think of the good things that happen to you every single day, your mind will directly be a little more happier. All the sad people that you see in your daily life, they're sad because they always focus on the negative things. They focus on the negativity around them. Whereas you're different because you subscribe to that Chashmish guy. Therefore, always start your day with gratitude and your whole day will be, a happier version of you. The second tip is find your purpose. Start looking forward for every morning. Wake up with fulfillment. Wake up with excitement. Here are some techniques on how you can do that. Practice what you really enjoy. Stop looking for short-term pleasure and focus on the things that that matter to you in life. A life worth living leads to happiness. The third tip is give without expecting anything in return. Help others to gain self-satisfaction, and don't help other people to gain something for yourself, like money or asking them for favors in the future. Just be nice with people, but remember, be nice to everybody, but you should have your boundaries. No one should be able to cross those boundaries. The fourth tip is expect nothing from others. Always expect every single thing from yourself. Always think about yourself. Don't think about what others will say. Every morning when you wake up, think about how to be the best version of yourself in that particular day. How to be better than you were last night, how you were last day, how you were in the previous day. Never ever live your life according to what others want. Never ever live your day according to what others want you to do. Always think about yourself and maybe your parents and do everything that you want to do, not what others want you to do. The fifth tip is lower your time with electronics, because science has proved that every single minute you spend with electronics, it gives you anxiety, it gives you pressure, because every time you're scrolling through your Instagram feed, you have a pressure in your mind, you get stressed, you get anxiety. So electronics are one reason why you're not happy. We all like electronics, but sometimes we should go out and spend time with nature. I genuinely, yesterday, while I was using my phone, I just read this article online about, how, using your phones is dangerous. And I immediately left my phone and went out for a walk in nature without my phone. Trust me, it felt precious. Even if you take a 30-minute break in your day from phones and completely keep your phone in the other room perhaps, you will see a game-changing advantage in your life and you'll be a little more happier person. And over time, in the long run, this will increase your life's happiness, and therefore you'll be a happier person. And guys, always remember this quote that I once had written in my diary. A smartphone is like fire. If you use it well, it will enlighten your world. Whereas if you misuse it, it will burn you. The sixth tip is exercise often. When you exercise, you clear your mind and you organize your thoughts. Exercise literally has no downsides. Exercise will only make you happier and only make you better. Every single time you go for a jog, you go for a cycle, bike ride, or you go to the gym, you're basically getting a better version of yourself, because exercise affects you mentally as well as physically. Obviously, we all know the physical effects of exercise. You get more muscles, you become leaner, but it also has a huge mental impact. Every time you exercise, you become a better person, you mentally get more motivated, and it has loads of benefits. So that's it for this particular video, guys. I hope you learned something from it, and I hope you found it valuable. I hope this message reached out to many people, because nowadays in the era of technology, we're all we fake our happiness online, but when in real life we're all really sad and depressed. We hide our feelings in the form of emojis, smiley emojis to our friends, but inside we're all very lonely and sad. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something from it. Always implement on the points that I tell you, guys. Never just watch my videos. If you want to just watch my videos, please don't watch it, trust me. Every single video I make is for a reason. It's to impact the lives of many people. I have a vision, guys. I have some visions, and obviously I won't always tell my visions in the videos, but it's something that's inside me. But just what I want to tell is, just after watching my videos, try to implement those tips in real life, because almost every video of mine is divided into tips, into timestamps, so none of your guys' times get wasted. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.